Hello guys, welcome back to another Hybrid Anonymous video, and today my battery's getting low. Boom shakalaka laka boom boom boom. Who the frick is Juffy Lobby? Okay. Okay, no need to be rude, but who? Holy shit. I'm looking at his level right now. Is he a ghost? Oh my god, he is a ghost. My god, it's so laggy. What? Where is he? Is he? Okay, I know it. I know it's a ghost. I know it's a ghost. He's chatting and you can tell. It's been a long time seeing this. Four hours, 1 week, 1 month. Whoa. Katie Gabriel, Bintang Gaming, as yes. 453, cool. Oh, he left the game. Anyways, so goddamn laggy now. Anyways, oh, training, great. Good, you can stack them. Now, if I can remember, I can craft things with this. I forgot I have that farm. Dark Souls? Wait, I saw Dark Souls. Dark Solaris. What? Oh no, it's Ancient Arm. Eldritch Helmet. Okay, wait, I think there's one close by. I knew it. I think they're not stackable, so I'll just get two. It's taking longer than usual. Wrong one. I need ice shards. This is the wrong one. Where can I find ice shards? I need 4 ice shards, so urgently get you out. Where can I find ice shards? I forgot. I know it's in the cold place, so I must petrify the mine. The mine. Where's the mine? Okay. Ooh. I haven't recognized this place for a while.